Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel DIY crochet-crosia. Today in this video I will show you beautiful and super easy scrunchies for girls, small size, small, medium and large size. I will show you in the video tutorial. Let us start. You can use any of colors, wool for this simple and easy pattern. For more detail and sizes, visit my website. Let us start. Today in this video I will show you scrunchies. I have done different colors you can use for this pattern. I am using a double knit medium weight 4-ply wool, 4mm crochet hook, elastic band or use a ribbon for this pattern. I am using elastic band. Size small, increase. For medium and large, increase a ribbon size. Use in the hand. The size I am making small. For small size 6.5 inches, cut elastic band and stitch together with a needle and then start work. Make a single crochet around the ribbon. Single crochet, continue and make single crochet around the ribbon. Continue and make single crochet around, then slip stitch in the first stitch. Single crochet 59 and 1 single crochet more 60. I have 60 single crochet in the band. Make 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Follow the same pattern. For small size 60 single crochet around the ribbing. Chain 1 in the same stitch. Make again a single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, single crochet in the next single crochet, and then continue work. Make a chain 1 and single crochet. Follow the same pattern around and slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Make a chain 1 and single crochet next stitch. Chain 1 and single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch. Continue and follow the same work around, then slip stitch. I have finished and completed. different sizes and colors scrunchies. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.